because I will practice, I will make perfect. Okay, so there is no
We
meaning.
have met before, right? So,
No, it is first session with you.
okay, so let's introduce ourselves. You go first.
Okay, well, my name is Sudhir Patel. I'm from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, and I joined Clapingo for improve my communication skill and English fluency. And till to I means, my confidence is up, means good increase. And nowadays I make my own videos and upload my videos on YouTube. So it's all about me. Please now.
That's amazing. So, hi, sir. I'm Apoorva. I'm from Pune, and I have been working in Clapingo since more than 2 years now. So, yeah, it's good to
Okay,
see you here today. Yeah.
okay, thank you, ma'am.
So, how is the YouTube going on? Like,
Yeah, I have a small YouTube channel. I made it last year, but nowadays I have 350 subscribers, and I hope
Mhm.
my channel will grow.
it will, and that's amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
So, what should we do today? Should we talk on the sessions topic or should we talk on random things? What do you prefer?
Random topic, random topic. It will be better to go with random topic, because there is no time. We have to speak on the topic, and our topic was, I think, animals, or to
Wow.
uh, learn, means to speak with animals or learn all foreign languages, I think.
Yeah. So, what would you
Mhm.
choose? I'm just curious to know your opinion on it.
What I will choose, which will, I think, I will choose to learn foreign languages, because it needs to learn speak with animals, but it is not possible for me to speak with all animals, because I have my another work. So I will choose to learn all foreign languages, because it will be helpful for me in my future life.
Absolutely. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. So, how is the weather at your place? Is it raining or it
Now
might
it is
rain?
not raining. So are you able to see
Yeah, I am.
behind me?
It looks very cloudy, so I was curious to know, did it rain earlier or
No,
is it going to rain?
no,
Yeah.
no, no. Today there is no rain.
Oh.
It's showing cloudy, but there is no rain today.
Mhm.
In the 12 past afternoon it was, but now there is no rain.
Okay, nice. Good to know that. Since you like YouTube, what channels do you follow or what YouTubers you follow?
I follow especially Prabhu Gopal Das ji.
Mhm.
Because I need spirituality. I want to learn motivational and spiritual things from them. And I also follow few YouTubers, and it's related to uh, Sanket, Sanket Marathi Sanket, related to share market, and also few of them related to crafts and English, also English connection, and uh, sister. They are YouTubers also. They
Mhm.
put their videos on the YouTube, so I follow them on YouTube.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
I've seen few videos of Gaur Gopal Das. I don't know other. Maybe I must have seen, but I must have missed their names or something like that. So yeah.
you don't know about Prabhu Gopal Das?
Yeah, I've seen only his videos. I don't know others, like the ones you mentioned. Or maybe I must have seen them, but I don't remember their names, something like that.
Yeah, they put motivational videos on the YouTube. They
Yeah.
feature their spiritualities. They share most of the
Mhm.
stories.
Wow,
He's
that's
very
interesting.
funny. Yeah,
Yeah.
most means all college students were sitting around surrounding him, and he tells story and motivational speech, interesting things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
And
interesting.
he's an engineer, and he is also from Pune.
Yeah, COEP, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
COEP people. um, okay, I'll just ask you one question and then we'll move to the feedback app part, if that is fine with you.
Okay.
Okay. So, do you like animals? Do you have pets?
Yeah, I like. Yeah, I don't have any pet nowadays, but I like animal. When I was a child, that time I was took my cows and bulls to grazing in the field,
Mhm.
means my farm. And that time I was only whistle, and they came to me. They came up to me. That time they understand my language. So that time I had a bulls and cows. Nowadays I don't have.
Wow. That
Mm.
is amazing. Like you had an amazing childhood because,
Yeah,
like, yeah,
yeah,
we don't get that kind of things to experience normally. That's great.
yeah.
Okay, sorry to interrupt, but let's come to the feedback if that is fine with you. And if we have time, we'll continue talking. So I had a lot of fun talking to you. The pace at which you are talking is really nice. It is not too fast, it is not too slow. The pace is really nice. Good job on that. I love how you explain things. You start with a point and you're trying to build a story around it, or you try to tell few details related to that story. So that is great. Good job on the explanation also. It's very crisp, but it is very effective. The impact is there. Coming to your English, you were using very nice words today, like increase, spirituality, greasing. There were more words. I couldn't write down all of them. So I feel like right now you're pushing yourself to use like different kinds of words, explore different words. That's great. Good job on that. Um, I think you're working on your sentence structure and you're able to self-correct yourself. So I'm not going to say anything in that. You're going in the right direction. It's just a part of process. In few
Okay.
weeks, you won't even remember the grammar rules. You'll be so fluent you won't remember the grammar rules also. So that's great.
Okay.
Overall, everything else is going on really well. The pronunciations are also at a good place. So yeah, I don't have any negatives for you. So if you are facing any problems or if you want to say anything, go for it. We have a lot of time. Yeah.
We have time now.
Yeah, I think so. We have like 3-4 minutes more. Yeah.
Okay, 3-4 minutes. So why do not we continue next questions? Because I have a lot of questions, but it is all related to English communication. And after all, it is all on me especially because I will practice. I will make perfect. Okay, so there is no meaning to ask each and every time how to improve communication and how to improve English because it's
Mm,
all no LSRW listen, speaking, reading, and writing. All four aspects we need to do each and every day. If we do all four aspects, so definitely we will be fluent within a month or few months.
yeah, absolutely.
So yeah, so if we have a question, another question, so please.
Okay, so do you have kids? How many kids do you have?
Only
Oh,
one.
one.
He is
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Nice. Hi. So, is he notorious or is he playful? How is he? How is he
He's
as a, yeah.
he is a playful now. He is studying in third standard previous school. He is a playful, and I'm learning English for him also because there is no English surrounding in my family. We speak only Marathi in our family. So I want to speak with my son English. So that's why I joined Clapingo, and that's why whole efforts I'm doing now.
That's amazing. That's really nice.
Yeah.
Like, wow, that's great. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel, but
Have you been?
as a human being now, I have a lot of responsibilities, so I didn't get time to travel. But if I when I was alone, I definitely to travel.
Yeah. And it's a nice, what do we say? Monsoons are really beautiful. So in Maharashtra, it's
Yeah,
good to travel. So nice
yeah.
time to travel. Maybe not on the weekends, but in general, they are very pretty. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
What else do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books. I like watching movies.
That's
Watching
interesting.
movies. Yeah,
So, which
I
book are
read.
you reading? Sorry, you were saying something.
I read Life's Amazing Facts for book Gopal Das books.
Mhm.
Rich Dad Poor Dad, and nowadays I'm reading Ignited Mind. And one book I also read, and that book name was Who Moved My Cheese?
Yeah,
Painted
that's a
on
very tiny book, but very insightful book.